Would you like to create stunning, ultra-realistic photos using Midjourney AI for your product shots, fashion editorials, or any other photography-based projects? But you're not quite sure which specific style to choose? No worries. I'm going to show you some striking ultra-realistic photography SREF codes that will take your images game to the next level. In this video, I've compiled over 90 unique ultra-realistic photography style reference codes that will make your workflow so much easier. If you're not familiar with these codes, they're simply numbers you add to the end of your prompt to tell Midjourney exactly what kind of style you want. They help maintain consistency and work incredibly well with simple prompts. Just so you know, I've included a PDF with all the SREF codes and example prompts in the description below. You can click the link to download it. For this video, I'm using the same base prompt so you can clearly see the differences between each style. I've also given each style a unique, made-up name, but don't worry, the name isn't important because you only need the SREF codes. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump into the first ultra-realistic photography style reference code, which is Vibrant Fashion Shot 371-167-4739. Sunkissed Close-Up 4209-45468. High Contrast Cyber Noir 367-853-2354. Bokeh Haze 7340375152. Sunkissed Charm 391-516-5969. Hyperrealistic Glamour 428637009. Neuromantic Glow 402-196-5038. Bold Urban Luxe 6298-42690. Vampiric Elegance 340-175-3068. Modern Urban Shot 387-413-3379. Sunlit Classic Beauty 399-901-3639. Warm Urban Aesthetic 453352835. Dramatic Glam 400-617-7293. Glamorous Retro High Fashion 4410-92393. Freckled Aesthetic 327-247-4549. Frostbite Elegance 327-270-3930. Intense Light and Shadow 4985-84355. Fiery Glance 333-334-4444. Golden Hour Cinematic Style 3200. Retro Hollywood Glam 168-468-4197. Minimalist High Fashion 904224066. Monochromatic 90s Vibe 278-557-3886. Bokeh Pastel 428-774-8482. Dramatic High Contrast Editorial 382-674-6828. Soft Focus Dreamy Style 224-044-2636. Heckled Radiance 517972177. Dark Dystopian Realism 274-957-1961. Baroque 429-436-7103. Vibrant High Fashion Editorial 351-938-1489. Sophisticated Neutral Aesthetic 185-188-1805. Soft Glamour Aesthetic 999232. Natural Light Aura 128-561-5612. Vibrant Urban Pop 369-126-8207. Dull 1980s Style 177-311-8955. Documentary Style Focus 202-40806. Retro Barbie Core 367-662-1808. Rustic Americana Aesthetic 259-501-761. Kinetic motion blur, 332-697-7824. Cinematic period drama style, 405-068-1547. Neon noir, 357-018-5536. Androgynous aesthetic, 159-783-2331. Soft grunge fashion, 202-40916. Medieval fantasy, 202-40712. Textured natural glam, 114-452-3178. Bold retro elegance, 388732857. Melancholic realism, 159-701-0549. Dark grunge, 189-403-3207. Modern femme fatale, 376-661-6075. Ethereal dreamscape, 878-803-659. Rustic cinematic realism, 196-868-7201. Gritty urban, 139-785-6326. Victorian elegance, 483-49881. Noir melancholia, 232-749-0970. 1980s glam, 237-086-219. Urban twilight, 178-651-1549. Timeless melancholic realism, 567-864526. Cyberpunk neon glow, 532-130-621. Grunge editorial, 132-212-6613. Dynamic street shot, 508-952-761. Cinematic western noir, 650-256-945. High gloss vogue, 394-976-6576. Noir-inspired aesthetics, 289-241-2002. Retro Americana, 292-858-5586. Urban grit, 179-744-6288. Natural glow realism, 135-579-4711. Neo-noir gritty photography, 297-142-1695. Expressive contemporary style, 377-941-0025. Rigid high fashion, 625-468-046. Urban resolve, 5454599921. Reflective gaze, 250-843-231. Urban stare, 423-517-7629. Pensive style, 578-970-537. Mysticaler, 428-298-1033. Autumn reflection, 1222-5203. Autumn whisper glow, 157-402-1509. Sunset reverie, 239-084-8850. Radiant intensity, 444843160. Shadow d'allure, 110-694-9487. Monochrome shadows, 193760979. Mystic confidence, 374-004-1239. Cinematic retro glamour, 111-736-3658. Bright natural intensity, 270-325-4137. Old school soft folk, 147-503-2038. Dark glamour, 407-774-6161. Overly polished aesthetics, 401-735-9021. Elegant dull noir, 408 366 1686. Dull Colored Vintage Vibe 332 999 6066. Modern Natural Aesthetics 389 810 0465. Dreamy Fierce Bouquet 348101160. Grumpy Cinematic Style 303 801 6518. Whirl Grit 356 634 1960. Modern Selfie Lux 4937232295. Flower Core Vogue 204 059 0556 is. So those are the best SREF codes I found that you can use to create ultra-realistic photography styles. If you'd like the PDF version of these SREF codes, you can download it from my website using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye.